concern which language?
In proceed.
English. You've been accused of obtaining registration by false pretense on or before 2nd day of February 2021 at Gasi location, Mandera County, willingly and by false pretense. You represented yourself as a Kenyan citizen and obtained a Kenyan national ID card number 3954136 named Ismail Abukar Osman, a fact you knew to be false. True or not true? And two, obtaining registration by false pretense on or before 17th May 2021 at the Department of Immigration Headquarters, Nairobi, willingly and by false pretense represented yourself as a Kenyan citizen. A fact you knew to be false. True or not true?
I'm Kenyan citizen. True.
Is it true or not true?
Huh?
True or not true?
I'm Kenyan citizen.
Yona, he says he's a Kenyan citizen.
So not true?
Yeah.
Prosecution?
Yona, we are opposed, Yona, in the meantime, Yona, to having the accused granted bond terms because Yona, his documents, Yona, are still under question until Yona, this court is guided by the probation office. We pray that Yona, in the meantime, Yona, he should not Yona, be granted bond terms.
You say you don't want to be granted bond terms because?
Because Yona, his citizenship, Yona, is under question.
Either?
Yona, as per the
Under
count,
question.
yes, Yona, under question. And we pray Yona, the probation office, Yona, to provide a report before Yona, the court may be guided pertaining Yona, his status.
You just mentioned for me the normal things that relate to bond terms. Under, what do you mean he's under, what do you call it? Under what?
Yona,
Under question.
we
What do you
believe,
mean by under question?
we believe Yona is not a Kenyan, and therefore we are apprehensive that Yona, if he's granted bond terms at this point, he may be a flight risk, Yona. He may be a flight risk, Yona.
But he's saying he's a Kenyan. So where is he going now?
That's why Yona, we have brought the charges before the court to have the court Yona, determine at an appropriate time during the trial. Because Yona, we have evidence indicating otherwise, Yona.
I don't know. Kahawa, you are shocking me a bit. So bond is a constitutional right. In my court, you get it. Unless the prosecution proves that I should.
Yona is not a Kenyan.
So he's saying he's a Kenyan. Why can't I grant him bond terms?
Yona is not a Kenyan based on the charges that Yona you have brought before the court. And Yona will be...
Does he have a passport? Does he have a passport? Was he found with a passport?
We have evidence Yona in the police file, which Yona will be presenting in court during the trial.
Okay, prosecution tafadhali. Twende pole pole. Unajua, bond terms are a constitutional right. You cannot keep somebody in custody for the next 3 years as the case is being had.
We understand, Yona.
So I need to understand the dynamics as to the bond terms that are sufficient to ensure his attendance in court.
we are filing...
And how we,
Yes, Yona.
No, Mr. Mwai, he said, and how we ensure that he actually attends court for hearing. That is the only reason for bond. We cannot keep people in custody for evidence to be produced during a hearing.
We are filing...
I think that will take quite a while.
Yes, Yona. We are filing an affidavit, Yona, to that respect. Yes, Yona. The same Yona is being filed at the moment.
Yeah, but the matter is here now. You haven't filed it.
We have not closed Yona, the other miscellaneous application file touching on him. We want Yona to bring the reasons as to why Yona we believe is not a Kenyan.
Yes, but we agreed that you're closing the miscellaneous file, right?
Yes, Yona.
Because he has already been charged
Yes, Yona.
with being unlawfully in Kenya.
Yes, Yona.
So now my concern would be, how do we ensure his attendance in court? You cannot say that just because he's not a Kenyan, cannot be granted bond.
That's why Yona.
That's
why Yona wanted the court to be guided by the probation report, Yona.
But you cannot force it on me, prosecution.
Yona, it's your discretion, but Yona, we have a history Yona, of the... Yona, we have a history of accused persons absconding, Your Honor, the court jurisdiction, Your Honor. That's why, Your Honor, we are appealing, Your Honor, to having him, Your Honor, granted bond at this time. We require, Your Honor, a probation report, Your Honor, to guide the court properly.
You can't force it on the court, and it's not even binding on the court.
We are not
right?
Your Honor, we are not forcing the court. We are just, Your Honor,
Yes.
seeking your guidance, Your Honor, on the same. Because, Your Honor, we have a history of accused persons, Your Honor, absconding the court. That's why, Your Honor, we want the court to be guided properly.
As is on all matters. It's not just in Kahawa, I guess. I'm facing difficulty in this one, Prepare report on which date?
Your Honor, in 2 weeks' time, Your Honor.
Prepare report next week? Which date?
On the 13th.
When is the next week?
13th of
13th of May. Prepare report.
Thank you, Your Honor.